Good morning, children. Everyone are fine? Good? Yes. What is our first lesson? We have completed the first lesson now. All the topics in the first lesson we have completed. What is our first lesson? Yes. Oceans and continents. This lesson totally we have completed. Continents, oceans and continents. Again I am going to recall for you. Yes, again I am going to revise for you this lesson what we have learned. Yes, in this lesson what are the topics we have learned, I am going to revise for you. Yes. Oceans and continents. Yes, what we have learned? First we have learned about the shape of the earth. First we have learned about the shape of the earth. Shape of the earth. Yes, what we have seen? The shape of the earth is spherical. The shape of the earth is spherical. It is not at all flat. It is spherical. The shape of the earth is spherical. We have seen it. Yes or no? Yes. The shape of the earth is spherical. Next, what we have seen? We have seen about the globe. We have seen about the globe. Yes, we have seen about the globe. Globe is nothing but a 3D model of the earth. What is the globe? Globe is the 3D model. 3D model of the earth. Globe is the 3D model of the earth. Yes. Globe is the 3D model of the earth. Next we have seen about the globe, oceans and continents. Next we have seen about the oceans and continents. We have seen about the oceans and continents. Oceans and continents. Yes, we know that we had 5 oceans and 7 continents, and everything we have learned in very detail. Yes. Next we have learned about the disadvantages of a globe. Next we have learned about the disadvantages of a globe. Disadvantages of a globe. Yes, disadvantages of a globe. Next we have learned about the maps. Then again we have learned about the disadvantages of a map. Disadvantages of a map. Then we have learned about water bodies. Next we have learned realms of the earth. Very good. Yes, children? Got all these topics we have covered? Yes, all these topics we have covered. Yes, I am going to tell you again. Yes, the shape of the earth is spherical. Ancient people, 600 years ago, people believed that the shape of the earth was flat, but it is not correct. Why? Because if you go from one place to another place in one direction, you will reach to the same place. If it is flat, we are going to fall down. But we won't fall down. We will reach to the same place. So by that, we will say that earth is spherical in shape. Yes, Plato, Greek philosopher, Plato, thinker, he said that earth is spherical in shape. And who proved it? Pythagoras. Pythagoras proved that earth is spherical in shape. Okay, ma? Yes, earth is spherical in shape. Then coming to the globe. Globe is nothing but a model. Why? Because the earth is so big. We can't go to every place and learn. So if we had a model, what will happen? We are going to learn it. Very well. For that, we had the model. That is called as a globe. Yes, 3D model of the earth is what? Globe. Yes, From the globe we can learn all the oceans and continents, where the places, everything we are able to learn. Yes, and who made this globe? Crates of Malus. Crates of Malus is also from the Greek country only. Yes, he made it. Globe. Yes, sir. He made it. It was made by him. And again, if you see the earth, earth is covered with 70% of water. 70% of water and 30% of land. Yes, large mass of the land. Large mass of land is called as continents. Large mass of land is called as continents. So we had 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, Europe, North America and South America. From all of this, which is the biggest one? Asia is the biggest continent. Asia is the biggest continent. And in this Asian continent only, if you see, our India is located. And all these continents are separated by oceans. Yes. And if you see, one of the continent is always frozen. That is Antarctica. And one continent is 4 sides all around it, surrounded by water. That is called as an island. That is Australia. Okay, ma'am? That is about continents. Coming to the oceans. We had 5 oceans. Biggest and deepest ocean is Pacific Ocean. And 2 oceans are there which are always frozen. That is Arctic Ocean and Antarctica Ocean. And S-shaped ocean is Atlantic Ocean. And after India, one ocean name has come. That is Indian Ocean. That's why we had 5 oceans: Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Indian Ocean. That is about the oceans. Then coming to the disadvantages of a globe. Yes, there are some disadvantages of a globe. What are those? Yes, this globe, yes, it will show the correct shape. But we are not able to carry, fold. Why? Because it is very big. We can't able to take to other places. Yes or no? We are not able to carry it. We are not able to fold it. Okay, na? So these are the disadvantages of a globe. For that solution, we got the map. So what is a map? Map is nothing but a drawing on a plain surface, a place, area, anything. Drawing on a flat surface is called a map. Map are very, very useful. The map makers are called as cartographers. The making of maps is called as cartography. Yes, but disadvantages of maps also is there. What are those? These maps will not show correct shape. And size of the earth. That is the disadvantages of map. And we have so many water bodies. Yes or no? What are those? Oceans, lakes, rivers, bays, gulfs, seas. Like that 7 water bodies we had. Then coming to reliefs of the earth. The reliefs of the earth, what we said, the surrounding us, the thing surrounding us is called as environment. Yes, environment. In environment, we have 2 things, living things and non-living things. So these living things depend on non-living things. What are those? Air, water and land. So we have this one are called as reliefs of the earth, and we had 4 reliefs of the earth. What are those? Hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. Hydrosphere is nothing but all water bodies. Yes, water is very needed for us or not? To live, we need the water. To live, air. We need the air. To have a living, our house, to stand, we want the land. To eat the food, we must do the agriculture to grow the plants. Where we will have? Yes, lithosphere, land. All these things are depending on life. Life is depending on all these things. 3 it is called as biosphere. So reliefs of the earth we had 4. Okay, now understood? No? Now some activities are there in your textbook. You have to do that activities. Very easy activities. Now see here. Now you see here. See this picture. Yes, in this picture, what is asking? Draw the portion which is covered with 3 biospheres, with 3 spheres, 3 realms. What is that? Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. If you see here, this area is having what? Lithosphere is there, hydrosphere is there. This full area you have to draw it. In this lithosphere came, hydrosphere came and atmosphere came. So full circle color it. Full circle color it. Okay ma, full circle color it. Here you can do the brown color, here white color buildings your wish, and this green color in and sky color. So this full portion you have to color it. You have to color it. That is the activity do in your textbook. Next coming one more activity. Here what is asking you is asking you to draw with different colors, land and water. Yes, water is having 3 portions. Water is of 3 portions and land is of 1 portion. So water 3 portions blue color, land in brown color. And this is very good creative work for you he has given. What is it? Draw a poster so that you have to protect our realms. You have to protect our realms. What are the realms? Hydrosphere, atmosphere and lithosphere. Yes, so you have to protect them. Yes, now you see the hydrosphere, water. Water is there. How you will protect the water? Not throwing the garbage in the rivers. Like that you have to take one picture and you have to draw it here. And atmosphere is there. How you will protect the atmosphere? How you will protect? Not sending any gases into the air. These are dangerous gases we should not send into the air. Like that any factory you have drawn and gases are going. Yes, we should not send them. Like that one picture. And next is what? Lithosphere. Lithosphere is what? Land. Yes, land also we are protect. We are damaging it. We are polluting it. How? Yes, are doing agriculture. We are using more fertilizers. We are using more chemicals. We should not use many chemicals. Okay, now only we have to use organic chemicals. Like that, some pictures you have to draw here. And you have to write the slogan also, like save environment, save earth. Plant trees, plant the trees, save the earth. Like that. Save the trees, save the earth. Like that. Any slogan you can write and do this. Okay children, understood the activities? Yes, 3 activities you do, and in the next class I am going to see it. Yes, thank you children.